Roll out 26 equal dime-sized balls, or if using marshmallows or gumdrops, keep out 26 for a day to slightly harden. Place 6 toothpicks equal distance apart into the Play-Doh to make a wagon wheel center. Place 6 pieces of Play-Doh at the end of each toothpick. Place a toothpick between each Play-Doh piece to join them together. Build a square on one side to add an entrance. Add 2 toothpicks to form a V at each Play-Doh piece, except for the outer 2 spots on the entrance. Put a piece of Play-Doh to join 2 toothpicks that point toward each other. Add a toothpick horizontally to each piece of Play-Doh to join them together. Add 2 toothpicks to form a V at each piece of Play-Doh. Join 2 toothpicks that point toward each other with a piece of Play-Doh. Add a toothpick horizontally to each piece of Play-Doh to join them together. Place 6 toothpicks towards the center. Attach 1 piece of Play-Doh to all of the toothpick ends to finish the top. Build a cube on top of the square to finish the igloo entrance. Compressed snow is sawn directly from the ground and stacked around a hole to form a dome structure. A catenary curve shape on the igloo allows the structure to remain highly stable and to help resist strong wind gusts. The correct inverted catenary curve shape will have a force of pressure pushing in that is balanced with the pressure pushing down. This is a time-tested principle of natural balance and construction used in bridges, domes, and arches.